Hello traders, welcome to today's market analysis, December 16, 2024. So first we can check about the major economic news for this week. So Monday we don't have any kind of important news releases, and Tuesday we have a German current conditions, so economic sentiment. I think core retail sales, we have a core retail sales on US. So US core retail sales will affect the US dollar by tomorrow, but not much. Wednesday we have a CPI, which is the Euro CPI. So that will give a good impact on the Euro currency pair. And Thursday we have a FOMC statement. Sorry, Wednesday we have a FOMC statement at night, and also the Fed interest rate decision. So Fed is going to reduce its interest rate. So rate cut is going to happen. Looks like Fed trying to reduce the interest rate. So due to the reduction of the interest rate, what will happen is like dollar will get strong or weak. So if you say whether dollar will get strong or weak, so Fed interest rate, if it rate cuts, you can expect Fed to like US dollar to become weaker immediately, and then in the long run will get strong again. So Fed interest rate, so if Fed reduces interest rate, the USD will get weaker actually. So lower interest rate making the US dollar less attractive because investors like high interest rates to get a higher return. So if Fed interest rate reduces, then USD will get weaker. And then you might ask whether gold and Bitcoin will fly. Yes, it will move up continuously. But don't worry, once Trump got into action, the dollar will get strong again. But it's going to be very challenging and difficult decisions for the US economy as well as for Trump. It's going to be a very difficult one. However, he is a capitalist, so we can expect a lot of economic projection in the markets from the US economy. So let's see what are other factors which might affect, which is the FOMC statement. So this week looks like US dollar might have chance to get weak, and also we have a Japanese interest rate. So BOJ, Bank of Japan interest rate decision. So they are not going to change the interest rate because Japan won't consider hiking or reducing the interest rate any time, because they are like they don't want to change anything due to the external factors, because Japan is completely a different type of government where they keep having a kind of safe haven asset as their Japanese yen. So you know that 1 USD equal to around 150 yen. So these are all a kind of manipulated movement which was maintained very well by the Japanese. So Japan yen is very difficult to manipulate unless the government try to manipulate by themselves. So first we should have to understand that Japan yen won't make a big impact if there was no changes in the interest rate. However, it can try to move up and down and can make a like 100 to 300 pip movement on all the yen pairs. So it's a good opportunity for buy or sell depending on the technical confirmation that you look out on the charts. So Japan yen, and also we have a GDP rate on Thursday, and Friday we have a PCE, core PCE price index. So these are the things which are available from Monday to Friday. These are the major news. However, which news will be having a bigger impact is like Fed interest rate and FOMC statement, pound CPI. So these are the things which is going to affect more. So today and tomorrow we don't have much more impactful news. So here, if you look out, the Euro USD looks like it was just ranging and then try to break. However, if you look out the range, it might have chance to move down again. So in the higher time frame, Euro USD looks like it was just trying to move down because it's falling from lower high. So in the long run, it should have to move down. So if Euro USD breaks this low, we can expect a bigger fall. So I'm too expecting the same kind of fall on Euro USD. And Pound USD is also the same. However, it hits the support level. I think it hits the support zone. Well, so Pound USD hits the support. So what we can do here is Pound USD, it hits like 60%. So now it tried to rebound. It might go to 35 and then retrace back again. So still all this pair like a Euro USD as well as Pound USD, they are consolidating harder. And Aussie USD, it need to move down. So I'm repeating this for a long time. Aussie USD is in a very strong downtrend. So you can expect more downward movement on Australian US dollar. It looks like a descending triangle. If it breaks the bottom, you can sell. If it breaks the top, don't buy. Sell around this resistance area or else to the lower high area. Everything, yeah. You can see that it's very clear. So according to this descending channel, still AUD Australian US dollar have chances to fall around another 1,000 points. It is more possible on Aussie USD. So I'm considering so USG. Also USG and go for sell. New Zealand USD, it's also good for sell. So it is also good for selling. New Zealand is also going to move down. So New Zealand USD, USD yen. You can see USD yen, it's just flying up from the support continuously. So what we can do here is like just wait for the confirmation. Even if you want to buy, yeah, you can buy. You can expect at least a minimum movement of another 2,000 points. Gold. Gold is the price where it hits the higher low. I think gold hits the higher low. So we can expect a upward movement, and it is happening now. So it is a very clear ascending channel. So gold might have chance to move down once again and then might move up, or also gold will move up continuously. So gold, it's temporarily buy. However, in the long run, we need to wait and see. We don't have much stronger confirmation, but it looks like a bigger spike. If it breaks the bottom, like if it breaks this high, then we can expect downward movement until 2620. And yeah, gold. And what happens to silver? Wow, wow, wow. Silver looks like it also have chances to. Um, well, silver is just consolidating, but still, silver looks like it has a lot of chances to move in a direction, which is a kind of trend direction. I think silver might move up again. It is possible. However, if you look out, so if you look at silver in the long time frame, in the higher time frame, silver still have more chance. One more up is possible on silver. Yep, $30 to $40 is possible on silver. However, we need to measure the overall. Wow, it hits the around a 50 level. So I think hits the 60. So silver might have chance to move up again towards $35 again. So silver is still in an uptrend. However, you cannot buy at the moment because it is just simply falling from the support. Sorry, from the resistance, as well as silver is standing at the higher low, but it's not much accurate as you think. It's not much accurate. So silver might have chance to fall one more down, and then it will move up. Silver and USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc looks like a very clear upward movement. USD Swiss franc. US dollar is getting strong in overall. So last week I told you to buy after this breakouts. It breaks and went up 1,000 points. Now it's at a resistance. So now you cannot buy or sell. You just need to simply wait. And pound Swiss franc looks like well, it's nice buy actually. Pound Swiss franc is still in a buy, very nice buy. And USD Canadian dollar, it's just simply flying up. No limits, no nothing. It's just simply moving up. So one more down is possible, and then it can move up one more. So it is in a very strong uptrend. No matter whatever happens, USD Canadian dollar is in a very strong uptrend. USD Swiss, USD CAD, these are all US dollar is stronger in all the currency pairs. So if you look at all the currency pairs, US dollar is stronger anyway, including USD yen. Pound out, I believe it will move up once again. One more time. Pound Canadian dollar, same. So I think pound Canadian dollar also have chance to move up again. Euro Canadian, I'm not sure about the Euro Canadian, but still in a strong uptrend. CAD. Well, Euro Pound, I'm not sure about the Euro Pound. It's just consolidating. However, it is a wow, good rejection. Looks like a good rejection. Good for buy. So Euro GBP is good for buy. Euro New Zealand, I'm not sure about the Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand, that's in a very strong uptrend. Just simply moving in a very strong uptrend. However, it hits the resistance. So we need to wait and see whether one more up is possible. Yes, it is possible. I think Euro pairs are all good for buying. So Euro New Zealand, one more up is possible. Most probably it is possible. Yes, Euro New Zealand is possible. Pound New Zealand is also possible, I believe. Pound New Zealand is also possible to buy. Looks like pound New Zealand is also good for buying. Pound New Zealand is good for buying. But instead of pound New Zealand, it's better to go on for Euro New Zealand, because if you look at the Euro GBP, Euro is so strong. Pound out is also moving up. Aussie Canadian, it's going to move down anyway. Aussie New Zealand, yeah. So Australian dollar is still weaker compared to all the pairs. So let's check about the other set of currency pairs, which has a good opportunity. Let's wait and see. So right now, so far, what I observed here is US dollar is more stronger comparing to all of the currency pairs. US dollar is very strong, so that's why market is moving along the US dollar USD direction. So we found good opportunities on USD pair, means like Aussie USD, New Zealand USD, US Swiss francs. So these are the pairs which has a good opportunities. Nice to see such a movement over this Euro Swiss franc. Support to top, so support to top. It might have a chance to move up more again. The top is possible. So Euro Swiss franc. Aussie Swiss franc, again Aussie Swiss franc, it has chance to move up as it is in the support. So Euro Swiss franc still at the lower high, so you need to be a little bit careful about that. Canadian Swiss franc is in a clear uptrend movement, I think. Yeah, Canadian Swiss franc looks like it broke the lower high and trying to move up. Canadian Swiss franc. Australian Swiss franc, pound CAD, pound Canadian dollar. No matter whatever you say, USD yen is going to move up, only up. But hold on, will it move up to this level 156? Yes, it will definitely move up. So it is just simply moving in an ascending and descending channel. Ascending channel. However, you should have to be careful with this pair, because this week we have a USD yen. So this week we have a USD yen news, which is interest rate. But the government is not going to change anything. They are not going to change their interest rate. So the yen remains weaker. So pound JPY, USD JPY, and AUD JPY. AUD JPY starts to move up, I think. Nice move from here, the higher low. Looks like it is very good to buy Canadian Japanese yen. So comparing to all of the pairs, it looks like Canadian Japanese yen is good to buy. Yeah, very good and nice to see. So Canadian yen, Euro Japanese yen, same. Swiss franc Japanese yen, same. And Australia New Zealand is also going to be the same. Canadian Japan yen looks very clear. So I believe Canadian Japan yen will move up continuously because USD yen also moving up. So we can expect Canadian Japanese yen to move up continuously. So what kind of analysis we can do here is support resistance, just break the so Canadian Japanese yen, euro out, nice euro out is went up very well. So this one we expected it actually. But euro would still have chance to move up. As I said, upward movement is more possible on euro out, but more downward movement is also might also possible because of giving some correction. Found out. Should not buy or sell at this time, but if you have a long-term plan, you can buy. For BTC USG, this is just simply moving up. As I said earlier, to keep buying Bitcoin at every higher low. So it will go until 108 or 112K. These are all possible with the Bitcoin. Now you see Bitcoin hits the high. This is why you are seeing a good fall over the Bitcoin. Pound out from New Zealand. Gold is just simply moving up, but I don't say it as a simple. Looks like gold might have chance to give some correction and then down again. It is possible. If it breaks this low, then only we can expect for sell, or else it is in a very strong buy. Follow the trend, don't go with the flow. So Bitcoin looks like still an up and downward movement. Euro New Zealand is also good for buying. New Zealand. New Zealand seems to be very weak. No matter whatever you try to say, it seems to be very weak. Bitcoin is in strong uptrend. Gold just made a correction. Pound USD, it also just made a correction. Don't